Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best cookware for induction cooktop is Green Pan Valencia Cookware Set. This cookware set is made of aluminum and ceramic, ideal for use on all cooking surfaces, induction cooktops included. If you cook lots of dishes calling for fry pans and you need the occasional saucepan for some rice or pasta, this set of cookware would make a smooth fit. If, on the other hand, you cook a wider variety of dishes at home, you may want to explore some of the sets on our shortlist with a more comprehensive offering of pots and pans. The Thermalon ceramic coating is studded with real diamonds, and there are no PFOAs, PFAs, or other toxins, so you can cook with a clear conscience and no contaminants leaching into your food. This coating is highly non-stick, but you can also safely use metal utensils, so you won't be walking on eggshells in the kitchen. Number 2 in our side is Cuisinart Multiclad Pro Cookware Set. The triple-ply construction of these pots and pans combines stainless steel with a pure aluminum core. This ensures they are suitable for use on all types of cooking surface, including induction. The 18 by 10 stainless steel is heavy grade and built to stand up to sustained punishment in the kitchen. Stainless steel covers lock tightly into place, so all the moisture stays inside with your food, giving you the most tender results. The cookware as well as the covers can be popped into the dishwasher for hands-free cleanup. We didn't find any blowback about discoloration or rusting after dishwashing either. Cookware also features cool grip handles secured with stainless steel rivets and self-basting, tight-fitting lids. Triple-ply construction includes the unsurpassed heat conductivity of a pure aluminum core. It ensures maximum heat retention and even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots. Dishwasher safe, tight-fitting stainless steel covers seal in food's natural juices and nutrients for healthier, more flavorful results. Covers are dishwasher safe. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro 12-piece cookware set. It's a beautiful collection, basically all the things that you'll need to really get started cooking in the kitchen. I'll show you some of the pieces, and then I'll talk about some of the features and benefits. This happens to be a really nice size saute pan. You notice it has a wide helper handle on the side and a nice thin profile on the stick handle here. It's also riveted on, as you can see, here, and also on the inside of the pan here. It's really easy to lift and carry, especially with the helper handle. When you have a full load of food in there, it makes it easy to lift and move around. The other thing I'd like to mention is that the inside here, you'll notice it's nice and shiny. It's polished stainless steel. And on the outside, you have a beautiful brushed finish. And on the rim here, you can see it's got a little mirror finish on the top for accent. The other thing about this is that even though it's stainless on the outside and stainless on the inside, its core is aluminum, which is really, really good at conducting heat. So what happens is you'll have great heat distribution from all the way down the side and the complete bottom of the pan. And that way you won't get any hot spots when you're cooking. The other thing here, you'll notice there's some lids. And you get 5 lids with this set. You'll notice it has a nice high arch. That's really good when lifting it off your piece of cookware so that you keep your knuckles away from the top if it's hot. The other thing is you'll notice it has a nice ridge here, and that helps with keeping it really tight on the pan. And that's great, especially if you're doing any kind of cooking where to keep the liquid and the moisture and the nutrients inside. So you get 2 skillets, the saute pan, and also 2 nice saucepans. This larger one actually accommodates a steamer insert, and this is your steamer insert. This is a really great piece. You just put it right here, and then you can put the lid on like so. And what happens is you put your water or broth or whatever you're using to steam your food in the bottom, and then you put your food in here, keep the lid on, and you can steam a really nice piece of fish or Brussels sprouts or any kind of vegetable that you like. So that's really, really handy and an extra nice piece. The other thing that you can do with this steamer insert, if you like, is if you're making a small batch of pasta, you can actually use this to drain ingredients too. I like to use it for that. And then, you know, a stock pot is great to have. You can use it for lots of things such as soups, chilies, you know. I like to use it to make spaghetti sauce myself, and it's a perfect size. It's large enough where you can make some for dinner tonight and have some to save for storage or for later on in the week. The other thing that I like about this cookware is the fact that it's very, very versatile. It can go from your refrigerator right to the stove and then to the table if you like. The other thing I like about it is it goes right into the dishwasher. It can be used to top brown and broil because it's not coated inside. And there you have it, the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro 12-piece cookware set.
Third in our best cookware for induction cooktop list is Analon Nouvelle Cookware Set. All cookware is made of stainless steel, a material that's induction ready as well as built to last. Copper is added to improve heat control and overall cooking performance. Gleaming mirror-polished exteriors, European-inspired, tulip-shaped design, and generous proportions are the hallmarks of the induction-suitable Analon Nouvelle Copper stainless steel 10-piece cookware set. From the saucepans to the covered sauté, this 10-piece set brings elegance and high performance to every gourmet kitchen. Analon Nouvelle Copper stainless steel cookware features top-line stainless steel construction crafted with copper to deliver optimum heat control with any cooking process. If you loathe doing the dishes, these pots and pans are legitimately dishwasher safe, and they won't rust out as a result of dishwasher detergent either. Our fourth pick is Tefal Non-Stick Cookware Set. Tefal is the rebranded version of Tefal, and you get great value for money as well as excellent cooking performance and lifespan. Despite having 12 pieces, then, this is one of the more limited sets in terms of scope. If you only whip up a few simple dishes in the kitchen, you're in safe hands. Anyone with more ambitious tastes may end up disappointed here. Tefal's Heat Mastery System is a 3-ingredient recipe for perfectly delicious cooking results every time. Superior and longer-lasting non-stick coating, an anti-warping, even heat base and patented thermospot technology. The ring around the spot turns solid red to show when pans are perfectly preheated and ready for ingredients to be added. Proper preheating is key to sealing in flavor and cooking food evenly. Scratch-resistant and toxin-free, hard titanium-reinforced non-stick interior stands up to rigorous use and allows for cooking without frustrating, wasteful, stuck-on messes, supremely strong. Last in this list is Tramontina Induction Ready Cookware Set. Tramontina delivers a great set of cookware containing 18 by 10 precision-fitted, stainless steel lids help to lock in nutrients, and the ergonomically designed, cast stainless steel handles are riveted for stability and added support. Tramontina's tri-ply clad cookware is compatible with all cooktops including induction, and is oven safe up to 500 Fahrenheit or 260 Celsius. The premium stainless steel construction allows you to use this cookware on any cooktop, including induction. Features riveted, precision cast stainless steel comfortable handles, for that solid reliability you want when handling a filled pan, and a mirror-polished stainless steel lid. Dishwasher and oven safe. The stainless steel build features an aluminum core, perfect for cooking with induction stovetops. The lids and bodies of this cookware are mirror polished, so the pots and pans look great in the kitchen rather than looking like unsightly clutter.